How to add shapes in Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add shapes to your Wix Studio website. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Wix Studio account and then you can choose the website. I'm going to choose this one. You can click on it and then you will be redirected to your website dashboard. You can navigate to edit site here. You can click on it. After that, you will be in the website dashboard. This is my website dashboard. So let's say I want to add a new section here and I'm gonna add the shapes here. So we can click add an element here and then go to quick add, and as you can see there is shape here. You can drag and drop, and this is the shape. Let's say I want to change it, so you can click change shape, and then there are a lot of options here. You can choose whatever you want. Let's say I want to choose maybe this one. You can click it and add to page, and then it will change to this shape. And you can go to settings if you want to modify anything here. You can choose watch this shape, and then you can add alt text here. Also, you can add a link if you want, so you can click on it, and you can choose the page. Maybe you want to choose a link from your website, you can choose the page, and also you can choose from web address. Maybe you want to add your other website. It's up to you. You can choose also anchor, top or bottom of page. You can make it go to the bottom or the top of your page. The document, email, phone number, and pop up. Also, you can choose none if you don't want to add a link to your shape. So I'm gonna choose none and then click done. And then you can also change the style. You can right click and then select layer and then choose the basic shapes. And you can open the inspector here. And as you can see, this is the basic shape setting. You can change the color if you want to change it. You can also change the size, and then you can add the animation, the effects. You can explore more. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.